Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download the Evernote application on your smartphone. So let's get started right away. First of all, you're going to want to open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store depending on your device. Just go ahead and type in Evernote in the search box. Once you find the application, simply tap on the Install button and this will begin the download and installation of the Evernote application. Just wait for a while until the installation is complete, and then when you see the Open button, just go ahead and tap on it, and this will now open up the Evernote application on your device. You can now simply continue with logging into your account using your email address, your Apple account or your Google account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download the Evernote application on your smartphone. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.